Hey, welcome to this video. This is Hannes. I'm so glad that you're here because I'm about to show you some really cool riffs every beginner has to learn on guitar because they're easy and they're so much fun to play and everybody knows them. So it's really fun to do. Before we start out, I want to recommend you to take a look at the video description and check out my free crash course. You learn a lot of basic stuff in there, you do a lot of music in there, play a lot of songs already in there. I recommend you, if you're new to this channel, check that one out. It's totally free. So let's now start with our riffs I want to show you. Saving Nation Army by the White Stripe, easy to play even for beginners. Maybe you already saw that I played it with a different fingering each time I played the riff, because I wanted to show you can play it in different versions depending how advanced you already are as a beginner. So we start out with our index finger in the 7th fret of the A string. This is the second string from your point of view. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret. You play that twice. And then you go with the index finger to the 10th fret once, so. And back again to the 7th fret. If you want, you can play that high note here on the 10th fret with your pinky. Or you can just jump with your index, whatever you like. Try both versions out because, I mean, after a while you would also like to train not only your index finger, but if you're really new to guitar, it might be easier for you just to jump with one finger. Just side information, depending on how you want to do it, just up to you. So 7, 7, 10, 7, and then you go to the 5th fret, to the 3rd fret, and to the 2nd fret. That's first round of the riff. So 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. Again. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. I'm just playing the first part of the riff. Everything is played with a downstroke. Everything on the A string. Okay, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2nd fret, and so this is the first part of the riff. The second time you play it, it's a little bit different. So we have 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. So we have a little step backward again, back to the 5th fret, and then again to the 3rd, and then to the 2nd fret. Okay? Second part. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, and then I'd like to go with the ring finger to the 5th fret, then again index finger on the 3rd fret and the index finger on the 2nd fret. As I said before, you can play everything just with your index finger if you want to, but at certain points it's easier for me to say, okay, use my other fingers so I don't have to jump that far all the time. So, again, second part. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Sorry. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Now both parts from the top. 3, 4, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Again the first one, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2, and again the second one, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. And then we have our B part, kind of. We play 8 times in the 3rd fret of the E string. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 frets up in the 5th fret, also 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from the top. Seven Nation Army. So have fun with those cool song riffs, and we see us back in the next video. Check out in the video description my absolutely free crash course for guitar. If you're new to my channel, that's the thing you should check out. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.